Have you ever yawned just by seeing someone else yawn? Well, you're not alone, but do you know why we actually yawn? Let's find out. Yawning isn't just about being tired. Scientists believe it helps cool down your brain when it overheats. Seeing someone yawn and yawning back? That's social bonding. It happens more with friends and family than strangers. Even animals yawn. Some scientists think it helps them stay alert in dangerous situations. You can't stop a yawn once it starts. And guess what? You're probably yawning right now. Tag someone and see if they yawn.